Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup proxy files to prevent missing offline clips. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a reliable storage solution in place. Select an external hard drive or a cloud storage service suitable for your needs. Launch your editing software and locate the project containing the proxy files. Check the settings to confirm where your proxy files are currently stored. Create a dedicated folder on your external drive or cloud storage. Name the folder clearly to avoid confusion in the future. Open the folder where your proxy files are located. Select all the proxy files you want to backup. Copy the selected proxy files to your clipboard. Navigate to the dedicated folder you created on your external drive or cloud storage. Paste the copied files into this folder. Verify that the copying process completed successfully. Consider organizing your proxy files by project name or date for easier access later. If using cloud storage, ensure the upload is complete and stable. For additional safety, create multiple copies of your proxy files in different locations. Regularly update your backup to include new proxy files as you work. Schedule a reminder to perform these backups on a consistent basis. Stay aware of any changes in your editing software's file storage settings. Review your backup process periodically to ensure it meets your evolving needs. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent the loss of offline clips during your editing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.